What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Independent Experience. I'm IndyXP Bullion, and this is your morning market wake-up call for Tuesday, December 22nd, 2020. I hope everybody had a wonderful solstice. The days are going to start getting longer this time of year. When the days get ultra short, it gets depressing, but I know that the days will continue to get longer from here on out. It's going to be magnificent. In today's video, we're going to be looking at an article detailing some market manipulation in the currency markets. Stay tuned for that. But first, let's go ahead and take a look at the markets and see where we're going to be starting today off at. Gold is steady, currently at $1881.53. Silver is down, currently at $26.03, and that gives us a ratio of 72.30. Platinum flirted with going under $1,000, but it is starting to come back up a little bit, currently at $1,028.24. And palladium is at $23.57.24. We did see a $100 gain on rhodium yesterday. It is currently at $16,100. We've been seeing some losses on base metals. Copper is down, currently at $3.52. Nickel also down a dime at $7.77. Aluminum down at 90 cents. Zinc is at $1.26, and lead is down 2 cents at 88 cents. Barrels of crude oil are also down, currently at $47.41. We had a mixed day on Wall Street yesterday. The Dow Jones did eke out a gain of 37 points at 30,216.45. The NASDAQ was down 13 points at 12,742.52. And the S&P 500 was down 14 points at 3694.92. The US dollar index is down slightly today, currently at 90.10. More on that in a moment. If you guys trade in Bitcoin, we're back over $23,000, currently at $23,138.84. And if you happen to exchange the gold back, whether that be the Utah or the Nevadan, those are still exchanging at $3.28 today. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, we're going to be looking at an article that comes to us from Reuters. This one is titled, US Treasury Labels Switzerland, Vietnam as Currency Manipulators. The US Treasury Department labeled Switzerland and Vietnam as currency manipulators last week and added 3 new names to a watch list of countries it suspects of taking measures to devalue their currencies against the dollar. In what may be one of the final broadsides to international trading partners delivered by the departing administration of U.S. President Donald Trump, the Treasury said that through June of 2020, both Switzerland and Vietnam had intervened in currency markets to prevent effective balance of payment adjustments. Furthermore, in its semi-annual currency manipulation report, the Treasury said Vietnam had acted to gain unfair competitive advantages in international trade as well. Foreign exchange analysts had broadly anticipated the U.S. Treasury designation for these two countries. The action comes as the global coronavirus pandemic skews trade flows and widens U.S. deficits with trading partners, an irritant to Trump, who won office 4 years ago partly on the promise to close the U.S. trade gap. To be labeled a manipulator, countries must at least have a $20 billion plus bilateral trade surplus with the United States, foreign currency intervention exceeding 2% of the gross domestic product, and a global current amount surplus exceeding 2% of their GDP. The U.S. Treasury Department also said it is on a monitoring list of countries that meet some of the criteria that has grown to 10, which now includes Taiwan, Thailand, and India. Others on the list include China, Japan, Korea, Germany, Italy, Singapore, and Malaysia. The U.S. Treasury report also said that India and Singapore had intervened in the foreign exchange market in a sustained asymmetric manner, but did not meet the other requirements to warrant designation as manipulators. So it sounds like there are some countries out there that are working hard to devalue the U.S. dollar, and we started following the U.S. dollar index on this channel probably 3 or 4 months ago, and we have seen it come down significantly in that time. And these countries that were listed in the article definitely are playing their part in driving that price down. So what do you guys think? Should there be any kind of sanctions against these countries? Honestly, I don't know what happens once we find these countries and they're on the list. I don't know what happens to them. Is it just the U.S. blowing smoke saying, hey, we know what you're doing, better stop, or else, and we don't know what else is, or what? So let me know down in the comments what you guys think about the situation. Guys, I do greatly appreciate every single one of you, and if you happen to appreciate old IndyXP Bullion, please hit that thumbs up button for me right there. It helps me out immensely. If you happen to be new to the independent experience and you want to keep up to date on all the latest and greatest content comes out, please consider hitting that subscribe and jingle bell right there in the corner, bing bong, so you can stay notified of when new content comes out. We are getting real close to 900 subscribers. I think we're only like 8 or 9 away at this point. So we're going to be making that push towards 1,000 here real soon. You're going to want to make sure you stick around and check that out. Of course, if you want to check out the back catalog, you can start clicking right here on this box at the end of this video, and that is the gateway to all of my previous videos. I think we're somewhere around 400 and 415 videos now. We do these videos almost every single day during the week. So unless I have coronavirus, and then that's it. So, or I'm on vacation. So click that at the end of the video and you can start watching the back catalog. Guys, I have been IndyXP Bullion from the Independent Experience, and I'm here again to remind you, if the women don't find you handsome, they should at least find your pockets heavy.